Question: how is the image found on the retina of human eye? Answer: real and inverted. Next question: between which color is the eye sensitivity the most? Answer: yellow and green. Next question: what is an earthquake epicenter? Answer: the point directly above the place where there is contracting will the fault zone. Next question: what is the surface energy of the system in the process of making a big drop or mixing small droplets of water? Answer: decrease. Next question: when a stone is brought from the surface of the moon to the earth, then its weight will change but mass will not change. Next question: a particle is being forced to move uniformly on a circle. Which physical quantity of the particle which is changing with time is? Answer: linear energy. Next question: if a solution of unsaturated sugar is prepared by mixing 100 gram of sugar in half a liter of water, which physical quantity will not change? Answer: volume. Next question: when a ball falls on the floor it bounces. Why does it bounce? Answer: the floor extract a force on the ball during the collision. Question: kerosene floats on water. What is the reason for this? Answer: its density is less than the density of water. Next question: how much of the iceberg is above the sea surface while floating in the sea? Answer: 1/9. Next question: when sitar and flute are played in the same tone, what can be the reason for difference in the sound produced between them? Answer: only by sound quality. Next question: what is the purpose of thermostat? Answer: to keep the temperature constant. Next question: an electron and a proton are moving with the same speed on a circular path of equal radius if the mass of the proton is about 2000 times that of the electron. Which one will happen? Answer: the centripetal force required for the proton will be about 2000 times greater than the centripetal force required for the electron. Next question: the centripetal force required for the proton will be about 2000 times greater than the centripetal force required for the electron. Next question: doctors use an endoscope to see internal organs of the body. On what principle it is based? Answer: total internal reflection of light. Question: which phenomena which does not occur in sound waves? Answer: polarity. Next question: what is the normal temperature of human body according to Kelvin value? Answer: 310. Next question: doctor examine the inside of a patient abdomen by endoscope, which works on which principle? Answer: gross internal reflection of light. Next question: a person is standing on a frictionless horizontal surface. How can be he move on this ground for a certain distance? Answer: rolling. Next question: when ice melt, what is its effect on the volume? Answer: decrease. Next question: when we pull the bucket of water up from the wall, we feel that the bucket. Answer: the water has become heavy above the surface. Next question: when falling from a height, the chances of survival of a cat are higher than or that of a human or other animal. What is the reason for this? Answer: the cat immediately adjusts itself to ground on all four legs and can bend the legs to absorb the impact of the fall. Next question: what is the boiling point of water on the Kelvin temperature scale? Answer: 373 degree Kelvin. Next question: what when an object is dropped from above, what is its weight? Answer: variable. Next question: why does an iron needle keep floating on the surface of Mercury? Answer: due to surface tension. Next question: the part on which the image of an object is formed in human eye is retina. Next question: when a CD compact disc used in audio and video system is viewed in sunlight, color similar to a rainbow appear. What is the reason for this? Answer: refraction based on the phenomena of diffraction and transist. Next question: near sightedness of the eye, the effect can be removed with the use of which lens? Answer: concave lens. Next question: a body is raised to a height of 30 meter from the ground. It's then dropped on a table which is 1 meter high from the ground level. In the case, what will be its potential energy? Answer: 2/3 of its initial value of total energy is reduced.